Hello, I'm Amisha. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So today I have a haul from Plum Goodness. The products that I have from Plum Goodness, as well as I bought this product from Plum Goodness. So these are the products. Let me just open this and show you all. Like I have opened this, but let me just show you all these products. So without any further ado, let me just start with the video and carry on with me. So as you can see, I have two boxes from Plum, and let me just open these boxes. Let me just open this. Let's see what I have in the first box. So these are the products that I have in the first box. So starting with the first product of the first box, that is this one. This is a green tea renewed clarity night gel. Okay, this is the green tea night gel. This is the price of this gel is, I guess, 575 rupees, and you are getting 50 ml of product. Okay, this gel is for combination oily and active prone type of skin. This is the main ingredient of this is green tea. This is from their green tea range. So here is a leaflet. Then just open. The packaging is really good. Wow, so sweet. A nice bottle. Like I really like this tub very much. This is a nice tub, as you can see. Matte tub with silver cap on it. Let me just open it. After opening this, you are getting a lid. Let me just open this lid. Okay. The smell. This is the smell of green tea range from Plum. Let me just show you the texture of this. I'm just giving it hand and showing this. So this is the texture. This is how it looks. So talking about this night gel, this is basically a night gel especially for acne prone, oily and combination type of skin. This is made up of green tea, and as you know, this is from Plum. Plum is 100% vegan brand, cruelty free brand. They do not have essence in their products, without paraben, like 100% vegan brand. So a product from such brand is all our skin wants. So this is a product from this sort of brand is all our skin needs. So this is the full tub, and at the down also I can see manufacturing date and the use before date, as well as the net weight. Everything is written, which is really a good part, that the use before date is written at the bottom of it, which I like, really I like very much. So this was the thing. This is a nice gel with a little soft mild fragrance in it. Let me just read the ingredients. Let me see whether they have written the ingredients or not. Yeah, they have written the ingredients, like the full ingredient list is there, not the key ingredient that I like very much. Let me read some of the ingredients that are aqua, glycolic acid, green tea extract. Then there are like lot of things I can see, many fruit extracts. There are many things like licorice, goji. There are many things I can see. So this is really a nice gel for a balanced hydration of your skin, that your skin can be renewed during the night after applying this. Then the second product that I have is this one. From the first box, the second product is this one. This is the green tea pore cleansing face wash. So this is a face wash from their green tea range. This is for rupees 345, and the weight of this is 75 ml, which is really a good part. And this is even for combination acne prone and oily type of skin. Let me just show you this. So this is how the face wash looks. This is the total packaging with the tic tac opener. So this is how it looks. I think you can see that these do have some scrubby particles in it, like very much little 2 or 3 came out. So these do have scrubby particles in it, which will be very much good for a exfoliation, not that deep exfoliation, but a regular exfoliation, a soft exfoliation. This is, and the fragrance is a superb green tea fragrance. So let me read out some of its ingredients. That are aqua, glycerine, green tea extract. Then there is fragrance, sodium gluconate. So all these are the like some of the ingredients of this face wash, and this face wash is really good for acne prone skin, like if you have acne. So a daily face wash, a daily cleansing you need for your skin. So this face wash is really good for those who have acne prone skin, as well as oily and combination type of skin. This is the next product that I have. This is the Plum Green Tea Clear Spotlight Gel. So this is basically a spot correcting gel. just show you. So this is how the gel looks. Small tube. The price of this is rupees 475 and the quantity is 15 ml. So you are getting 15 ml for rupees 475. So this is the Spotlight gel for spot correcting, acne spots correcting as well as pimple spots correcting. So those who have acne and pimple spots, they can go for this. Surely they can go for this. This is a nice gel. Let me show you. This is how it looks. And this, all you have to do, just where you have spots, just apply on the spots, leave it overnight and just wash it in the next morning. You have to use this regularly for a month or 2 months. Then after that you will see the result. Before that you won't see the result. Like, you have to keep patience while using this product. This won't do a magic overnight, but if you use this regularly, then obviously this will give a result. Now talking about the last product of this box is this one. This is a hand cream from Plum, wild cherries and kiwi hand cream. Okay, let me open this. I really like the packaging of this hand cream. You're getting a seal over here. Okay, so this is really a thick one, a condensed one. This is a, you can see a white, like a pinkish toned white color of this cream. I think this cream will be a nice hand cream. I haven't used this. After using this, I will surely give a review of all the products. But so let me just read out what it says. This says that cherries are some of the most cheerful fruits out there and kiwis are among the juiciest. Now that's a match made in heaven. Yeah, that's right. And the fragrance of this is really a fruity fragrance of cherry and kiwi mixed. I really like the fragrance of this. If you are a fruity fragrance lover, then you will surely like the fragrance of this product. Now let me tell you the price of this product. The price is rupees 370 and you are getting 50 ml of product. Okay, and the packaging is also a nice one. Like, this is a good hand cream. This is even a travel friendly hand cream. You can surely throw this in your handbag and just go. Now let's see what I have in the second box. So this is the second box. Let me see what I have in the second box. So I have another hand cream in the second box. So this hand cream is different from this one. This one was wild cherries and kiwi and this is cream and caramel. Okay, and the packaging, you can see the same packaging but the color is different of this packaging. And let me read out what it says. Bright golden hues and a fragrant invitation to fluffy wholesome sweetness. No wonder creamy caramel is so high on the list of the most tempting desserts ever made. So this is the thing, yeah, creamy caramel. Let me just open it and see the thing. Caramel sort of color. Fragrance. I will like eat it up. Literally, I will like eat it up. I really like this fragrance. Don't mind me saying that I will just eat it up, but the fragrance is really a good one. And the price of this is even 370 rupees for 50 ml of product. Okay, this was both the hand creams I have shown you. Now let's come into the next product that I have. The next product that I have is this one, Plum Green Tea Skin Clarifying Concentrate. Okay, this is the thing. Now let me just open this. So this is the concentrate serum, a really nice one. This even have a leaflet sort of thing. This is really a nice looking, good looking serum. Generally serums come in a glass bottle with a dropper sort of thing, but this is really a nice one, a pump out one. Okay, you have to be very careful while pumping this out because this like pumps out like, so you have to be very careful. And this is the texture of this, a watery serum with that green tea sort of fragrance in it. So good one. And after blending this, let me just blend it out and show you. This gets absorbed in the skin nicely. And I cannot feel any greasy sort of thing on my hand. So yeah, this is the serum. The price of this serum is rupees 1175 and you are getting 30 ml of product for 1175. This is a serum which you can see how much is left and all, and I really like the packaging of this serum. Like, this too looks great, and this is damn travel friendly. The glass bottles, you have to keep them very much nicely, but this is really a travel friendly serum, and this is highly recommended for oily combination and acne prone type of skin. Those who have oily combination and acne prone skin, they can surely go for this serum. And these do have many good ingredients like green tea, cinnamon bark, fruit extract, ginger, licorice, aloe juice. Like, this do have many good ingredients in it. Now jumping into the next product that I have is this one. This is the Plum Hello Skin Loving Face Wash. So this is from their aloe vera range. Those were from their green tea range, and this is from their aloe vera range face wash. Previously I have shown you this face wash which was from green tea range, and this is from aloe vera range. You can see the packaging is to some extent same, but the color is different. So this is for dry and sensitive type of skin, and the main ingredient of this is aloe vera, as you can see. Let me just open this. So the similar kind of tube is there, and the price of this is rupees 345 for 75 ml of product, and the price of that face wash was rupees, let me check once, it was rupees 345 for 75 ml of product. So the price point is same for both the products, and this is how it looks. As we know, aloe vera is really a nice ingredient for dry skin, even for sensitive skin. It do have anti-inflammatory properties in it, and it is even good for acne and pimples. So this is really a good face wash. So now coming to the last but not the least product of this haul from Plum Goodness is this one, their Nature Studio Kajal. Like you have seen in one of my Nykaa haul video that I have bought a Kajal from Plum. I have bought that from Nykaa, but I bought this from Plum. I really like this Kajal a lot. Like, I am a fan of this Kajal, so I really like this Kajal a lot. That's why I bought this again. And the fact that this is smudge proof, waterproof, like dark Kajal, dark black Kajal. I really like this Kajal, so I have bought it again. And this too even comes with a sharpener in it. So let me just show you the texture of this. This is how it looks. A dark black kajal. So as I have told you in the review of the Plum Kajal, and now also I am telling you that you have to like really sharp this cap down very tightly, otherwise this will dry out. And the price of this kajal is rupees 495 for 1.2 gram of product. Now let's just sum up the products that I had today. The green tea face wash, aloe vera face wash, then I had this kajal, then I had hand cream, two hand creams. One is wild cherries and kiwi, and another one is creamy caramel. Then I had this spot correcting cream spotlight gel, which is, then I had this serum and also this night gel. Okay, so these were the products that I had today. I hope you all like this video, and if you like this, do not forget to give a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. And if you haven't watched like my previous hauls, I have made many hauls. If you haven't watched that hauls, then do watch that haul videos on my channel. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, then just click on the red subscribe button gray and hit the bell icon next to it. So that's it for today. Meet you in my next video. Bye.